we are ready to do the program. Okay, if you want to do a new program, if you see here, there's a different types of programs is there. First of all, if you want to do the new program, in this mode selector, go to edit mode. Okay, it's edit mode is there. Go to edit mode. Now, after getting to edit mode, you can see here directory dir. This is known as directory. If you see the directory, there's a different types of numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this numbers are there. I mean, 30 41 up to 42 the program is there. Okay, 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. Now we can type a new program, alphabetic O, 0050. Our program number is first type alphabetic O 0050, 50 program number. Okay, just after typing this, press insert. Here alter, insert, delete is there. Press insert. Now new page is created. First, whenever we are starting the program, we should start with alphabetic O and then 00 any number. That is, what are the numbers available now, you can type this number. Okay, next, end of block, insert, and then N1, end of block, insert. What is the meaning of this N1, sir? Jonathan, sir?
It's the process, correct, sir?
Yeah, that is known as operation number. N1 is
Yeah.
operation number. We are
Okay.
doing first operation. Okay.
Okay.
Next, T0000, end of block, insert. Okay, G28, U0W0, end of block, insert. Okay, next, T0101, end of block, insert. Next, G97, M03, S2000 RPM, end of block, insert. Next, G00, X0, Z5, M08, end of block, insert. G00, X0, Z5, M08, insert. Next, G01, X0, Z0, feed. What about the feed rates, sir? Yesterday we had taken 0.65, yeah,
Yes, sir.
0.65. Okay. Next, what is the value after that?
Which one, sir?
Next point. Point number 2.
Okay. The G01 X
Yeah.
62.
X is 62. So,
Phasing, right? You want to do phasing first, right?
yeah.
The raw material is how much? Sorry, this one.
Yeah. We are not doing just yesterday. You can say the yesterday program.
Oh, yesterday program.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yesterday you are taking the notes in that program.
Yeah. So G1 X0 Z0 feed F 0.65 and then G01 X24
X24. 1 minute. X24.
Z0.
Z to 0. End of block. Insert. Next.
Okay. G03
G03.
X30
X30.
Z minus 3
Z minus 3.
R3.
R3. Insert. Okay. Next. G01.
X30
X30.
Z minus 30
Z minus 30.
and above insert.
End of block. Insert. Next.
G01
1.
X54
X54.
Z minus 30.
Z minus 30. Insert. Next.
G01
G01.
X60
60.
Z minus 33.
Z minus 33.
G01
End of block. Insert. Next. G01.
X60
X60.
Z minus 70.
Z minus 70. End of log insert.
G0
G00
X50 X65.
x65. Okay. Suppose here I type G00 x62. If you want to cancel this 2 na, in the after next to UOB here cancel CAN is there. If you
Yeah.
cancel na, it will be deleted. Okay. Now
Okay.
x65 end of
And I've
log
blocked into.
insert. Next
Sir,
G
sir,
ah
just want to ask you something.
ah
If the G00 instead of G00, if we put G0, is it the same?
no problem. You can do it.
Okay.
Why? Because now yeah, just I'm saying about the basic classes.
Okay.
Now, if you understand the program means you can do in any method. No need to
Okay.
give G01. You can give G1.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Actually, I am the lecturer. I'm saying briefly. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After if you understand everything now, you can do it easily in your method.
Oh, okay.
This is my duty to say in correct method. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay, and another one is G00 Z5
Z5
M09.
M09 and of block
Um,
insert.
and
Yes.
then G28 U0 W0 M05.
W0
M05.
M5 end of block insert.
M30.
M30 end of block insert.
Insert.
Okay. Now we are type the new program. Okay. Now what we have to do after completing this program, go to auto mode. This is memory MEM. MEM in some issues like MIM will be there. So in some issues like auto it will be just like auto AU2 auto mode. Okay. Auto means automatic mode. Now go to automatic mode and then now you are doing the new program. You can directly see we can cycle start the program. Complete the
Sorry?
program. Just go to memory mode and then we can cycle start the program. This is correct way.
Yes. No. No graphics.
Yeah, we should see the graphics and then suppose in my machines the graphics is not available. What we have to do? Jonathan sir, what about you? Any idea?
If there is no graphic, is it?
Yeah. If suppose in my machines the graphics is not available, what we have to do?
Okay. To for the dry run, you mean, correct?
Yeah. I want to check the program.
Okay. So if there is no graphic, then practically what I do is I will offset what do you call in the geometry.
Yeah, okay. You can offset or otherwise, if practically what you have to do now, go to memory mode and then here single block is there, one
Yes.
button.
Okay.
Yes, we can
Okay.
on this single block. What is the advantage of this single block?
It will go one by one.
Yeah, it will read the program one by one, line by line. Okay,
Yes.
and then what we have to do, this is the feed rate override knob. We should reduce this feed rate override.
Yes.
Okay, and then this is rapid override. This is control G00 method. For we are using G00 to control
Yes.
this G00. We can use this rapid override knob. We can get into 0. Okay,
Yes.
feed rate also 0. Now if you cycle start, it will read the program line by line. First line, okay, second line, okay, like this it will read. Yes. Now tool number 1 T0101. Now if you cycle start, see now spindle is running up. Yes.
Yes.
Next cycle start. Yes. Now this line G00 X0 Z5. You can put in check here. Another this is program check current like this. Now in check mode, if you press this check mode, here you can see G00 X0 in this line la machine is stopping. What about the value in absolutely? We can see x0 is at 5 is there. Now once again reduce the feed rate, cycle start. Yes, now it's on G00, G00, X0, Z0, sorry, G01, X0, Z0, the tool is there. From here, slowly it's moving to G01, X24, Z0. Next, yes. Now, this warning message is shown. The tool has collided. Here you can see the tool has collided. What is the reason?
Because it is not machining, it is like banging the material, correct?
Yeah, yesterday we had written the program for casting.
uh,
Yes, yesterday we had done the program for aluminum casting.
yeah.
But this is the full material, full just like a rod.
Mhm.
Okay, so that what happened means now the tool has collided here. You can see the tool has
Yeah.
collided. Okay, so that what he has to do, this is not suitable for this program. Why? Because now uh, just facing and turning that's okay, but here we have taken more than 30 mm depth of cut. 30
Yeah.
mm depth of cut is not suitable in the machines, so that here the warning the tool has collided. So that what we have to do, we should reset the machine. Okay, we should reset the machine, then go to handle mode. Okay, go to handle mode. Slowly we should remove the tool. Here is it like slowly just reset. The tool has collided. The tool collision start the main spindle. Okay, now here warning is shown. Tool collision start the main spindle. We can start the spindle. Now slowly we can remove the tool. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Once
Okay.
again reset the program. Okay. Now we can change the program according to this workpiece. Just one facing and turning. Go to edit mode. Just according to this raw material we can change the program. What we can do, first go to x0 z0, next x25, instead of this x25 x24, we can give uh, x, what about the diameter is 60, we can give x54 alter. Okay, yes, x54. Next here x60, x60 alter. Next x60 is at minus 40 alter. Here x60 alter. Okay, next we can remove these lines. Now only just facing and turning, that's all. Yes, reset. Now safely go to ref return 0.0 return plus z0 and then x0. Yes. Now again go to workpiece, right size, fill the material. Now reset, go to memory mode, reduce this feed rate to 50 percentage, feed rate to, and then cycle start. Now we can cycle start. Now you can see the tool is comes near to the workpiece. Now cycle start. First x0, z0. Okay. Okay. Once again, just yes, turning. Yes. Now you can, sir, Richard sir, you can able to understand this.
Yes, I can see it. Yes.
According to this raw material, we have changed the program, and then now cycle start. Its tool relief comes x65, next z5, and then tool return to home position. Now program end and rewind. After reading this M30, program will comes to first line. That's all. Now you can just unload the component. Once again, you can load the new component. Okay, we are loading the new component. Reset. Now it's okay. Now you are clear. You are confident. Our program is good. We can do the production. We can start the production now. At that time, what we can do, we can off this single block. Now we can off the
Mhm.
single block, and then we can move this feed rate override to 100 percentage, and then rapid. Yes, we can move this feed rate to 100 percentage, rapid override to 100 percentage. Now you are confident with your program. Just cycle start the program. Now the warning is came. Please close the machine door. Click OK. Reset. Now we can click OK. Now we can cycle start. Just cycle start the program. Yes, that's all.